And now the news in detail. James Basaiawmoit, UDP candidate from Mawkhar-Pynthorumkhrah, has expressed concern over the potential use of money power in the upcoming district council election. Speaking after filing his nomination today, Basaiawmoit, the former MDC of the constituency, recalled instances from the last election where money was distributed just before polling day. He said he strongly opposes such practices and acknowledged that some candidates may attempt to sway voters using money. He stressed that winning through illegal means would undermine his ability to serve the people effectively.
Naduk mencang sungu ai kubule ye ki priyo joko Mawkhar-Pynthorumkhrah ki bom jumlian ban ai pisah banong nan buat ipi ai pisah nampak julap buat haduk mentaro dak mensim siram ki joki kita di habaki kimpan nga ke pisah tengaru ngan job ngan tri khoj ngan tri kat kum ke jingkwa jumki